All right, we'll begin now. Okay, a very great evening to all of you. I hope you're doing fine, fantastic, fantabulous. And today's session is mainly for amendments, and it is again mainly for those students who are giving attempt in May 21. So it is kind of like you might have already given an attempt. Most of you might have already given the attempt. So basics of the taxation part is clear, but only what all changes are there in the syllabus or what all amendments have happened last year because of 2020 Finance Act. All that we are going to cover. Now, your RTP has not yet come obviously for 21 because even RTP doesn't have each and every amendment given quite in detail. All of you are okay till here? Any language problem, kuch Hindi, English, whatever you want to say, you can please always comment, okay? Let's just be comfortable, whatever is your, whatever you want to say, okay? So let's go ahead, everybody. Yeah. So I will be covering amendments whichever are relevant for May 21, but I'll be not doing it in one single go. Okay, all the amendments are cleared or you can say covered in one single lecture. ऐसा नहीं होगा. I'll be taking बच्चों you can say installment or piecemeal way. Okay, so let us say as such today I will begin with the basics of income tax chapter number 1 जो तुम्हारा है जहाँ पे तुम्हारे rates of taxes थोड़े से discuss किए जाते हैं. That is one thing. And secondly, I would like to also take today residency status. It is in fact one of the biggest or you can say major changes in this chapter. Residency status जो काफी years से for since the time even I am learning the subject and since the time obviously I am teaching the subject, there were no changes over there, but Madam Ji has made changes last year in 2020. So that is one of the biggest changes of one of the basic chapters of residency status for especially for individual के लिए. Yes, तो हम ये दो चीजें आज देखने वाले और that will be today's you can say lecture. I think a half an hour, 1 hour शायद लगेगा अपने को to understand all the amendments. And apart from that, now whenever we'll take the next lecture, over that time I'll take the next chapter. All right, everyone okay till here? So it is not one single lecture for all the amendments. It will be like understanding the amendments properly, and then we will do obviously some more 1 or 2 questions here and there, and then we'll solve the doubts as well. And then again we will take the next lecture for the next chapter. Everyone okay till here? Everyone fine? All right. I can request some of you to you can unmute yourself if there is no lots of background disturbance, so that at least I'll understand you are understanding or not understanding. Yes, everyone. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Everybody. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, fantastic. Ready, steady, po. Okay. So mainly again I'm saying it is for May 21 students. अगर तुम में से कोई नवंबर 21 के लिए obviously doesn't matter, अच्छी बात है तुम्हारे लिए कि तुम्हारा भी कवर हो जाएगा. Yes, everybody. So what I used to teach or the sequence in which I used to teach is कि first basis of income tax तुमको मतलब rates बताना, types of assessee बताना. Then we used to go to agriculture, this your residential status, then agricultural income, then exempt income, and then heads of income, and then remaining set of clubbing and your total income वाले TDS and all of that, right? So I'll be almost going in the same sequence only. तो आज के लिए बच्चों अपना बेसिक्स ऑफ इनकम टैक्स चैप्टर रहने वाला है एंड रेजिडेंशियल स्टेटस ये अपने दो आज होने वाले हैं. फाइन टिल एवरीबॉडी ओके? यस. बाय द वे हाउ वाज नवंबर 20 पेपर बाय द वे बच्चों जिन्होंने दिया है? बहुत डिफिकल्ट था आई थिंक सो, है ना? राइट. एंड अगेन व्हेन यू हैव May 21 अटेम्प्ट इट इज मेनली अगेन तुम्हारे बच्चों अमेंडमेंट्स ही रहने वाले, सो फोकस मेनली ऑन अमेंडमेंट्स. यस एवरीबॉडी डन? चलो, when I talk about basics of income tax, प्लीज याद रखना बच्चों, when I talk about basics of income tax दिस चैप्टर, जो इंडिविजुअल है HUF है, सुनो मेरी बात, इंडिविजुअल एंड HUF है ना, एंड योर बेसिक्स ऑफ योर बेसिक असेसी AOP BOI. नॉर्मल सिनेरियो में तुम्हारे कोई रेट्स ऑफ टैक्स में कोई बच्चों तुम्हारा चेंजेस नहीं हुआ है. ऑलराइट. ये टेल मी बच्चों रिबेट तुम्हारा कहां तक मिलता है अभी? रिबेट अंडर सेक्शन 87A क्विकली बच्चों टेल मी. अमल या आई विल ट्राई टू मेक इट इन मोस्टली इन इंग्लिश, डोंट वरी. या टेल मी बच्चों रिबेट अंडर सेक्शन 87A you get up to what amount, and if your NTI net taxable income is up to what amount? Quickly tell me bachcho, all of you.
5 lakh.
Yes, now yeah, NTI up to rupees 5 lakhs, right everybody? And what is the amount of rebate everybody?
2,700,000. Sorry, 2,700.
Rebate, amount of rebate up to rupees everybody 12,500.
Yes.
It means what? If at all a person has income only up to rupees 5 lakhs, can we say his income will not be taxed at all? Right everybody? And I hope you know this, yes or no? And again, is this available for non-resident or only resident?
Only resident.
You can unmute yourself, okay? You can unmute
Only
yourself.
resident.
The answer. It is only for resident or non-resident also. It is only for
Resident.
Resident guys. Remember till here? So,
Yes.
okay, fine. So resident individual NTI, net taxable income is up to rupees 5 lakhs. Rebate will be up to rupees up to, okay, 12,500. So there is again no major changes over there. Quickly, let us quickly go through the existing tax rates. Whatever was there for individual, resident individual, or you can say individual, up to 60 years of age, bacho. Basic exemption limit is what? 2.5 lakhs. 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, how much? 5%. 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, how much, bacho? 20%. And about 10 lakhs is what, bacho?
30%.
30%. Remember, and again for your senior citizen, that is above 60 to below 80 years of age, how much? Your
3 lakh.
limit will be 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs, 5%.
5%.
And again, similar, same 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, 20%, and above 10 lakhs is 30%. For super senior citizen or above 80 years of age, basic
Five.
is 5 lakhs.
Five.
Right? 5 to 10 lakhs, 20%, and above 10 lakhs is 30%.
30.
Right, everybody? Okay, till here? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, please pay attention for, so your tax rates for individual as such have not changed. Rebate, I just wanted to revise. So nothing great. Okay. There is an option, a big nuclear bomb madam has dropped on us. Okay, finance minister, that we will see in some time. But before we go to that big issue or big thing, corporate tax rate, that is your company's tax rates. Please pay attention. Finance Act 2020, that is last year. Okay. Before COVID and lockdown and all of that happened, or whatever it was applicable for PY 2021. I don't know, PY 2020. Please pay attention. Lots of exemptions or kind of benefits were given. Okay, they were given, but some, you can say, benefits were also taken away. Okay, so it was like ek haath se de, ek haath se le. Okay, you want some kind of good thing, or you can say some advantages or some benefits, you'll have to also forego. You understand meaning of the word which you forego? That means to waive off, not to take certain benefits or exemptions. Okay, till here? This was a kind of a strategies used in individual cases, assessee, as well as company cases also. So in a way, I can say that now whenever you understand the amendments, it was not one-way benefit. If at all you want that benefit, you'll also have to forego existing benefits. All of you understood till here? That was the kind of intention of the budget last year, 2020. Okay, everybody? Yes? Right. Pay attention, everyone. Now your company tax rates are 25%, 35%, 30%, and 40%. This is normal. This is regular always. Yes or no? If at all you are a foreign company, tax rate was 40%. Yes. If at all you were a domestic company, the tax rate was between 25% to 30%, depending on what, bacho? Turnover of certain previous year. Yes. Now please pay attention. I think in your last 1920 also it was 400 crores. So turnover limit is still, bacho, what? 400 crores. But now of which year? Bacho? 1819. Yes, everybody? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Tax rate has not changed as such for companies, normal companies. It will still be 25%, but now you'll be checking the criteria PY 1819. PY 1819, bacho, turnover, if it is not exceeding 400 crores, then tax rate will be 25%. Otherwise, bacho, it will be 30% for domestic companies. All right? Yes? Fine? As a disturbance, please. Then you can switch off your mic if at all you have some disturbance in your background. Okay. Now please pay attention, bacho. So right now, what lowest rate we had for domestic companies tax rate was 25%. Okay. But now, even if now you are a company, domestic company, let us say, and you want tax rate lower than 25%, then two new sections were introduced. Now please pay attention. In your syllabus, bacho, tell me, do you have cooperative societies tax rates are given to you in chapter number 1 or no? Tell me, bacho. Cooperative societies tax rates are given to you in your income tax modules, study materials, chapter number 1. They are given. But are you asked any time question based on cooperative societies? No. Okay, everybody pay attention. It means what I'm trying to tell you is, now the new section which have come for specifically for companies, domestic companies, 115 BAA and 115 BAB. They are just simply mentioned in your study material. Okay, new study material. And tax rates are given to you. Based on what conditions you will get lower tax rates. Pay attention what I'm trying to tell you. First of all, what did I tell you? If at all you want some more benefits, you'll have to forego existing benefits. Are you understanding till here? All of you, please tell me quickly. All of you, quickly tell me once. All of you are understanding here. All of you tell me. Come on. सब लोग बताओ. Unmute करके बताओ. सभी को समझ रहा है नहीं समझ रहा है? All of you.
Yes.
स्पीड इज फास्ट,
Yes,
स्पीड
sir.
इज स्पीड इज फास्ट, स्पीड इज स्लो, जो भी रहेगा बोल देना, ठीक है? यस ऑल ऑफ यू,
Okay, sir.
चलेगा? बीच बीच में बोलते रहना, वैसे मुझको लगे कि भाई मुर्दों से बात कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है ना? ऐसा मत करना, ठीक है? सो कीप ऑन सीइंग समथिंग और द अदर इन बिटवीन. ऑलराइट एवरीबॉडी, sure, let's go ahead. So what I was telling you, that in this budget 2020, if at all you wanted some benefits, you'll have to also have to forego or waive off certain benefits. Okay, so what are the benefits? But you check, the benefit is that tax rate of company may be 22%, or there is one more section where the tax rate is given as 15%, only 15. Can you imagine now? Other companies or normal companies have to pay 25% or 30% tax rate, but now some companies, they will be eligible with 22% or even 15% tax rates. They are given in section 115 BAA and 115 BAB. I hope you are aware the tax rates which are given around 111, 12, 14, 15. What are they known as, bachcho? What are they known as? They are known as what? Special tax rates. है कि नहीं बच्चों? 115 BB.
Special rates.
Yes. 115 BB, BBA, BB8, AB, and all of that. You know, all of BBAD. You have so many sections over there. You know, undisclosed income, that tax rates. I mean, that is everything is taxed over there. 111, 12, and all of that. You know, your MAT, AMT, all of that is given in those tax rates. No, around 115. They are but your special tax rates. Remember till here? Understood till here? So please check attention. Please pay attention. So for domestic companies, two new sections have come into picture: 115 BAA and 115 BAB. From your syllabus point of view, you only may have to remember section number and tax rates. That's it. Section number and tax rates. Clear till here? So the first BAA as such is 22%, and the next BAB is 15%. That's it. Clear till here? 22 and 15. That is a basic tax rates. It gives benefit of lower tax rates if certain conditions are followed and deductions are waived off. Now, what conditions are followed and what deductions are waived off? That is not part of our syllabus right now. That will come directly, bachcho, where? In your CA finance syllabus. Clear till here, bachcho? Done? So for companies, domestic companies, now new tax rates are given 22% and 15%, only if certain conditions are followed. Clear everybody? Done yahan tak hua? Bade hum log aage? Then, because now two companies have come into picture, 115 BAA and 115 BAB, some changes are there in surcharge also. Please keep in mind, बच्चों, ये दोनों तुम्हारे domestic companies ही है. We are discussing about domestic companies only, है ना? So check. Domestic company, बच्चों, surcharge rates are what? 7% and 12%, depending on your turnover. है ना? I mean, sorry, your net profit. है कि नहीं बच्चों? Total income above 1 crore to up to 10 crore is 7%, and above 10 crore is 12%. But now, if at all you are under the regime or tax rates, so the special concessional rates of 15% or 22%, then there is no threshold limit at all. Then there is what, bachcho? No threshold limit at all. Final, or you can say blanket surcharge is a what, bachcho? 10%. Ha ya na? Are you understand till here? That means, bachcho, tell me again for the sake of example, if your NTI, net taxable income, is rupees 10 lakhs only, will surcharge be applicable on these companies? Check. Are you understanding my question, बच्चों? Normal company में क्या होता था? Only if your NTI, net taxable income, is above 1 crore, तो surcharge आता था 7%, हाँ या ना? But अगर if at all you are a domestic company who are taking advantages of 115 BAA and 115 बच्चों BAB, check करो ना क्या बोला है? There is no threshold limit at all for surcharge. Okay? मतलब एक लिमिट क्रॉस होने के बाद ही surcharge applicable होगा, बच्चों, ऐसा नहीं है. There is a blanket final surcharge rate of bachcho, how much? 10%. Are you understanding or no? Somebody please comment quickly. All of you. Come on. Understanding or no? All of you. Yes, Sanju Sehri, ha sir. So again, my question to you is, if there is a domestic company and it has opted the benefit under, you can say 115 BAA or 115 BAB, and यही कंपनी का बच्चों, let us say if net taxable income is 10 lakhs, क्या surcharge आएगा कि नहीं of 10%?
Yes.
Very good. झकास. ऐसे मरे हो की तरफ क्या है, क्या था वो? हाँ अच्छा खाना बाकी मुझको पता है एनीवेज पे अटेंशन और अगर सुनो मेरी बात इफ एट ऑल यू आर अ डोमेस्टिक कंपनी एंड इफ एट ऑल यू आर नॉट चूजिंग ऑप्शन बिटवीन बी डबल ए या फिर बी ए बी दैट मींस यू आर नॉर्मल डोमेस्टिक कंपनी एंड यू आर एनटीआई नेट टैक्सेबल इनकम बच्चों 10 लाख है तो क्या सरचार्ज आएगा विल सरचार्ज विल बी देयर नाउ
No.
because now you are normal domestic
No.
okay no got it fine so it will come into picture for normal domestic company like regular cases only बच्चों above 1 crore yes everybody I hope इतना तुम्हें समझा है clear yes
sir.
see why I'm taking all of this am I expecting question on this practical वाले नहीं but भाई हाँ पूछो नूतन पूछो 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 but ICA can do बच्चों ask MCQ based on anything whatever is you can say mention in a study material keep that in mind ठीक है ICA को बहुत घटिया बहुत गंदी आदत लग गई है अभी कि इधर से कोई भी बच्चों क्वेश्चन दे आर आस्किंग नवंबर 2020 बच्चों MCQs ऑफ इनकम टैक्स टेल मी जिन्होंने दिया रहेगा मेजॉरिटी ऑफ देम वर बच्चों प्रैक्टिकल बेस्ड है ना मतलब यू वुड हैव टू सॉल्व देम है कि नहीं बच्चों एंड यू नो सिलेबस इनकम टैक्स का इतना बड़ा है भाई किधर से भी कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं समझ रहे हो बच्चों यहाँ तक क्लियर डिलियर हुआ लेट्स गो अहेड तो इंडिविजुअल का आई होप तुमने समझा मतलब नॉर्मल वाला क्या था रेगुलर अभी भी चल रहा है रिबेट अप टू 5 लाख वाला है ना एंड डोमेस्टिक कंपनी के टैक्स रेट्स आई होप तुमको समझे क्या चेंजेस हुए हैं चलेगा बच्चों अगेन वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट चेंजेस इन केस ऑफ इंडिविजुअल एनएचएफ बच्चों टैक्स रेजिम में बच्चों क्या हुआ है करना है कि नहीं करना है ऑल ऑफ यू रेडी और नो ऑल ऑफ यू
Yes, sir.
यस
Yes.
यस ऑल राइट 115 बच्चों बीएसी देखा तुमने इसके बारे में बच्चों कुछ हैव यू सीन एनीथिंग अबाउट इट इट इज अगेन अ very painful but a troublesome and a lengthy kind of you can say amendment or insertion of new concept okay अब बच्चों हमको जिंदगी भर बेसिकली अभी तो हर एक इंडिविजुअल एंड एचयूएफ के लिए बच्चों ओके विल हैव टू कैलकुलेट टैक्सेस एज पर 2 टाइप्स नाउ मुझको ये बताओ बच्चों आर यू अवेयर ऑफ एएमटी ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज टेल मी क्विकली ऑल ऑफ यू आर अवेयर ऑफ बच्चों एएमटी
Yes.
ऑल्टरनेट मिनिमम टैक्स है ना yes or no please pay attention now whenever जो assessee को or whoever assessee AMT was applicable or eligible then at that time बच्चों what we used to do we might have seen this in your total income chapter हम लोग क्या करते बच्चों do we calculate or not two taxes or taxes as per both the methods one is your बच्चों what regular provision के हिसाब से हाँ या ना yes everybody और दूसरा तुम्हारा बच्चों होता है AMT annual alternate minimum tax कंपनीज के लिए होता है MAT minimum alternate tax एक ही चीज है हाँ या ना so this was already there इसके भी अलावा अभी जाके उसके भी आगे मैडम जी ने क्या कर दिया भाई हमको बच्चों दे दिया 115 BAC what is बच्चों 115 BAC it is a concessional tax regime okay it is what बच्चों concessional tax regime मुझको ये बताओ बच्चों AMT में टैक्स रेट कम है या ज्यादा है कंपेयर टू योर रेगुलर टैक्स रेट जल्दी बताओ बच्चों
कम
AMT
है।
कम होता है
कम है।
that is the basic tax उतना लगना ही चाहिए that was the purpose of AMT बराबर है 115
Yes.
BAC is a some kind of new जुमला whatever कि भाई बता रहे हैं कि बेनिफिट्स मिलने वाले हैं ओके यू विल गेट सर्टेन बेनिफिट बट अगेन द सेम कंसेप्ट अगर ये बेनिफिट चाहिए तो एग्जिस्टिंग बेनिफिट्स भी आपको बच्चों छोड़ने पड़ेंगे कुछ कुछ समझ रहे हो सो इट इज अगेन गिव एंड टेक सिनेरियो ऑलराइट टिल हियर एवरीबॉडी सो
Yes.
नाउ इन ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन ऑफ योर व्हाटएवर यू विल सॉल्व एएमटी तो छोड़ ही दो देयर इज अगेन अ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ 115 बीएसी मतलब आप बच्चों टैक्स रेगुलर प्रोविजन से भी कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा एंड टैक्स 115 बच्चों बीएसी के प्रोविजन से भी आपको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा whichever might come lower that will be obviously preferable है ना yes Celia clear है
Yes,
all
sir.
of you okay Celia now just let me tell you one thing 115 BAC जो है बच्चों चैप्टर नंबर 8 में आपको पढ़ाया गया है आईसीए के मटेरियल में but let me just tell you and give you a little bit of relief कि ICAI as such again from my opinion at least at intermediate level बच्चों is not expecting too much of calculations of 115 BAC व्हाई आई विल टेल यू दैट बच्चों इन अ मोमेंट. चेक करो, अगर आपका खुद का आईसीएम एड्रेस नया वाला आप देखोगे, चेक करो, हार्डली कुछ 8-10 क्वेश्चन दिए हैं फ्रॉम द इन द लास्ट चैप्टर. बट यहाँ पे बच्चों, यहाँ पे इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 तो कुछ टैक्स लायबिलिटी कुछ नहीं है. चेक करो, उन्होंने लायबिलिटी डायरेक्टली कैलकुलेट किया है. Assuming that she has not opted for 115 BAC. Okay, that means they are trying to ask you regular tax provisions. बराबर है, रेगुलर में सॉल्व करना. देन चेक करो, ये कौन सा है, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. Compute total income and tax payable. Have they given 115 BAC? Not given. चेक करो, बट आपको यहाँ पे करना पड़ेगा. अगर दिया नहीं डेटा में तो आपको बच्चों करना पड़ेगा. यस, क्या AMT बोला बच्चों यहाँ पे? नहीं. डायरेक्टली व्हाट विल हैव टू डू बच्चों, 115 BAC. राइट टिल हियर. चेक करो अगला क्वेश्चन. Y carries on some business. He has not opted for 115 BAC. So there is again a 50-50% chance कि भाई आ सकता है या फिर नहीं आ सकता है. Again it is the first attempt. May 21 वाला बच्चों 115 BAC को बच्चों एकदम अच्छे से उनको करना ही करना है. You don't have option of missing it on that. I am surprised बच्चों 2020 का जो अटेम्प्ट था, जो May 20 में अटेम्प्ट हुआ नहीं था, November 20 was the first attempt. तभी भी वो अटेम्प्ट में कुछ बच्चों AMT छोड़ के चले गए थे, मतलब ऑप्शन में डाल दिया था. इनफैक्ट दैट वाज द वेरी फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट जहाँ पे AMT आने ही वाला था. राइट, चेक करो अगला क्वेश्चन फिर से बच्चों. क्या नॉट ऑप्टेड फॉर 115 BAC? दैट मींस व्हाट, बस नॉर्मल वाला पूछा है. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड लिया? Then there can be some question like this, whether he should opt for बच्चों 115 BAC. So again normal provisions and 115 BAC, ये बच्चों तुम्हारा क्या होगा, comparable होगा. Clear everybody till here? Yes. So let us check what is 115 BAC. हाँ या ना everybody?
Yes, sir.
All right. Yes, बीच में बच्चों आवाज कर दिया करो, है ना, कि तुम हो. चेक करो बच्चों, 115 BAC provides an option for concessional slab rates, right, to individual and HUF subject to certain conditions. क्या कंडीशन बच्चों रहेंगी? लाइक foregoing, मतलब क्या बच्चों, छोड़ देना. क्या छोड़ दिया? कुछ बेनिफिट्स लाइक LTC तुम्हारा चैप्टर सेक्शन 10 में आएगा. स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन अंडर सेक्शन अंडर सैलरीज, मतलब क्या बच्चों, सेक्शन 16. इंटरेस्ट ऑन हाउसिंग लोन 24B ऑन SOP. डिडक्शन ऑफ चैप्टर 6A अदर देन 80CCD2 एंड 80JJAA. ये सब हम लोग बच्चों करने वाले हैं अब. ओके डियर बच्चों, दैट मींस can you quickly tell me बच्चों, which all benefits are we giving away? We are giving away some benefits of section 10, बराबर है, as well as we are giving away almost majority of our deductions available in chapter 6A. हाँ या ना? All of you understood clear? That means if at all तुमको थोड़ा सा बेसिक पता रहेगा बच्चों, chapter 6A are mainly about expenditures or income. Tell me this quickly, all of you. Chapter 6 is mainly about bachcho expenditures or income. All of you.
Yes.
अरे यस नहीं था वो, इनकम है या एक्सपेंडिचर? चैप्टर 6 में क्या होता है?
Expenditure.
एक्सपेंडिचर होता है ना. तो अगर चैप्टर 6A का डिडक्शन ही नहीं मिलेगा या फिर आपको फोरगो करना पड़ेगा बच्चों, यू माइट हैव सीन यूजुअली चैप्टर 6 से बच्चों आर मेनली अबाउट इन्वेस्टमेंट्स और सम एक्सपेंडिचर. आपका हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस हो गया, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस हो गया, एजुकेशनल लोन का इंटरेस्ट हो गया, 80 डोनेशन हो गया, 80G, ऑल ऑफ दैट. बहुत सारी चीजें बच्चों वहाँ पे है ना बच्चों. ऑल ऑफ दैट आर काइंड ऑफ नाउ डीमोटिवेटेड और यू कैन से डिस्करेज्ड. क्योंकि अगर आप ये 115 BAC के अंदर जाते हो, इफ एट ऑल यू ऑप्ट फॉर दिस, यू हैव टू फोरगो ऑल ऑफ द डिडक्शंस ऑफ बच्चों चैप्टर 6A. समझ रहे हो? अब तुम ही सोचो बच्चों, जिनका होम लोन चल रहा है काफी सालों से, आर यू अवेयर, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग हियर?
Yes.
जिनका बच्चों होम लोन चल रहा है काफी सालों से, उनको बच्चों क्या बेनिफिट मिलेगा? 24B के अंदर बच्चों इंटरेस्ट ऑन बोरोड कैपिटल, बराबर है, इंटरेस्ट
Yes.
वाला कंपोनेंट. एंड होम
Yes.
लोन का जो प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट है बच्चों, उसको कहाँ पे बेनिफिट मिलता है हमको? 80C के अंदर. हाँ या ना? यस एवरीबॉडी, ओके टिल हियर. एंड नाउ अगर तुम ही सोचो बच्चों, अगर हम इंटरेस्ट पे कर रहे हैं, है ना, ऑन आवर बोरोड कैपिटल होम लोन के लिए, तो बच्चों एसओपी, अगर प्रॉपर्टी एसओपी, तो बच्चों तुम्हारा इनकम होता है या लॉस होगा फ्रॉम हाउस प्रॉपर्टी? आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग माय क्वेश्चन? व्हाट इज इट? इफ एट ऑल यू आर पेइंग लोन ऑन बोरोड कैपिटल, आपका प्रॉपर्टी एसओपी है, ओके टिल हियर, इन दैट केस बच्चों आपका इनकम दिखेगा या लॉस दिखेगा फ्रॉम हाउस प्रॉपर्टी?
Loss.
लॉस दिखेगा बच्चों, है ना, बिकॉज जीएवी इज निल, एनएवी इज निल, स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन आएगा ही नहीं. सो व्हाट ओनली रिमेंस इज इंटरेस्ट ऑन बोरोड कैपिटल बच्चों. तो तुम्हारा एसओपी क्या हो जाएगा? नेगेटिव आएगा. That means बच्चों income from house property loss आएगा in fact. And you tell me बच्चों, can we adjust this loss somewhere else or not? Can we set off this loss or not with some other income?
Yes.
Obviously yes. Salary के साथ भी हर एक के साथ कर सकते हैं बच्चों in fact. हाँ या ना?
Up to the 2 lakh only.
Correct, वो भी है सही बात. Up to 2 lakhs with any other head of income. बराबर बच्चों, clear है?
Hmm.
तो वो भी बेनिफिट आपको नहीं मिलेगा. I understand clear? लाइफ इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम निकालोगे उसका बेनिफिट नहीं, मेडिकल का इंश्योरेंस निकालोगे उसका भी बेनिफिट नहीं, कुछ बेनिफिट नहीं मिलेगा. आई अंडरस्टैंड क्लियर? सो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ योर बेनिफिट्स आर टेकन अवे बिकॉज you are told to give away or forego chapter 6A के डिडक्शन. अंडरस्टूड क्लियर? सो इन अ वे बच्चों प्रैक्टिकली स्पीकिंग ये कुछ खास यू कैन सी स्कीम नहीं है, बट मैडम जी ने दिया है और सिलेबस में भी है तो करना पड़ेगा, है ना बच्चों? मतलब जिंदगी में बच्चों हमको टेबल ऑफ 5 आता ही नहीं है ना, ऐसा मैडम जी का कहना है. मैडम जी तुमको समझ रहा है बच्चों कौन है? तो मैडम जी ने कहा 5 फिर into 2, ओके, फिर into 3, फिर into 4, फिर into 5. मतलब जिंदगी में बच्चों जब तक मैंने पढ़ाई किया है फ्रॉम द सिंस आई वाज अ स्टूडेंट, ऐसे टैक्स रेट बच्चों कभी नहीं थे. +5 +5 +5 मतलब पूरा स्टार्टिंग में बच्चों क्या था 5 20 30. सो 5 से लेके बच्चों 30 अभी सभी रेट्स है इनटू द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 5, है ना बच्चों? क्लियर टिल? सो चेक अब easy way to understand. Luckily बच्चों everywhere the increase is of what बच्चों? Tell me.
2.5 lakh.
Yes, इतना भाई समझने के लिए ठीक है. Starting के 2.5 lakhs basic exemption limit still the same, no tax at all. फिर you keep on adding 2.5 2.5 2.5 and over here in tax rate you keep on adding 5 5 5. बराबर है? तो up to 2.5 lakhs obviously no tax. 2.5 से 5 में बच्चों कितना? Tell me.
5%.
So this is normal. यहाँ से तुम्हारा बच्चों सेम टू सेम है, हाँ या ना?
Yes.
झकास. ओके, देन 5 से लेके 7.5 10%, 7.5 to 10 15%, 10 to 12.5 बच्चों 5 से 20%, 12.5 to 15 25%, and now above 15 lakhs is 30%. Yes everybody, clear?
Yes.
Sir, whether 87A rebate is available?
What?
87A rebate is available.
Again, even if your NTI is up to 5 lakhs, yes.
Yes.
We'll check all the conditions. They're just saying AMT is not applicable, rest of it is there. Okay. Now check. Individual and HUF opting for 115 BAC. Just a minute, I'll just make a change in the settings over here. Okay, ठीक है, fine. All of you there? Individual HUF but opting for 115 BAC are not liable for AMT at all. Obviously now, otherwise you'll have to do but 3 calculations. Okay. So can I say बच्चों AMT? Now why I'm teaching you each and every line यार? Because of MCQs. Okay. MCQs can be direct now. Okay. So can I say बच्चों AMT and 115 BAC they are mutually exclusive now?
Yes.
कितने कैलकुलेशन करोगे ना एक एसएससी के लिए? Okay. So either this will be the combination or this will be the combination. Agreed everybody? All of you okay till here? But regular obviously will always be there. है ना everybody? Clear? Let's go ahead. Okay. Now please check. Whenever you're going for BAC, 115 BAC, the conditions are given in subsection 2. That conditions for availing concessional rate of tax. Fine? Okay till here, everybody? Yes? Let's go ahead. Now check. What all conditions are there if at all you are in under section 15 BAC? First, certain deductions or exemptions are not allowed. That is point number 1. Exemptions and deductions. Again, I'm repeating section 10 and your chapter 6A. And there are obviously certain in the PGBs around section 35. Those deductions mainly. Yes, that is point number 1. Then secondly, losses also not allowed to be set off. Again, second advantage, bachcho, removed over here. Even no set off is allowed. And additional depreciation, bachcho, also not allowed. Fine, everybody till here? Hi, Anna. Everyone okay till here? So
Yes.
can we say this will impact the most individual assessee doing PGBP? है ना? Because again depreciation is very big, you can say expenditure, and again deductions will be there of chapter 6A, but there are also certain deductions of around section 35. Even that will not be allowed. Okay till everybody? समझ रहे हो सब लोग? Let's go ahead. चलो check. Pro is that while computing total income, that is a taxable income, the following deductions or exemption would not be allowed if an individual or HF opts for, if an individual or HF बच्चों opts for this particular scheme. Okay, tell your concession scheme. Check बच्चों क्या क्या है. अब तुमको बच्चों थोड़ा सा बाय हार्ट करना ही पड़ेगा या फिर तुमको इसका लिस्ट एक याद रखना ही पड़ेगा. ओके, चेक करो बच्चों. All these three subsections, 10.5, 10.13 and 10.14 बच्चों, it will impact which head of income? Very simple question.
Salary.
Yes.
Salary.
Income from salary. LTC बराबर है. HRA and your special allowances 114 तुम्हारे दोनों वाले 1 and 2 वाले बराबर है. एक तुम्हारे लिमिट के साथ है और बच्चे तुम्हारे विदाउट लिमिट वाले हैं. याद है कि नहीं बच्चों तुमको यहाँ तक? यस. So LTC, HRA, then exemption in respect of special allowances or benefit to meet expenses, related duties or personal expenses other than those as may be prescribed for this purpose. तुम्हारा 10-14 के अंदर बच्चों जो जो आएंगे वो सब again you'll have to forego all those exemptions. Clear till here? Now does that mean बच्चों HRA will be taxable now entirely? If at all you're going for 115 BAC तो बच्चों HRA fully taxable होगा अभी. तुम्हारे सैलरी स्लिप में तुम्हारे सैलरी कंपोनेंट में बच्चों HRA है तो क्या पूरा टैक्सेबल होगा कि नहीं होगा? All of you.